Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce hair fall. We'll explore practical strategies and simple changes you can make to strengthen your hair. This guide offers actionable steps, from understanding common causes to adopting gentle care routines. You'll learn how to nourish your hair from within and protect it externally, leading to visibly healthier and fuller locks. Let's begin your journey to less hair fall today. Nourishing your body is crucial for healthy hair. Focus on a diet rich in protein, like lean meats or legumes, and iron, found in spinach. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish or flaxseed also support scalp health. Consider incorporating foods high in vitamins A, C, and E. If you're thinking about supplements, always speak with a healthcare provider first to ensure they are right for you. Your daily hair care routine significantly impacts hair fall. Wash your hair gently with a mild shampoo, ideally 2 to 3 times a week, to avoid stripping natural oils. When detangling, always use a wide tooth comb on wet hair, starting from the ends and working upwards. Try to limit heat styling tools and avoid tight hairstyles that can put undue stress on your hair follicles, preventing breakage. A holistic approach to your lifestyle can greatly reduce hair fall. Stress is a major contributor, so incorporate relaxation techniques such as meditation or gentle yoga into your day. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep nightly, allowing your body to repair and regenerate. Additionally, staying well hydrated by drinking 8 glasses of water daily supports overall health, including your hair's vitality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.